just in case na hindi mo pa ma-master dahil yung fear threshold mo mababa pa, and then medyo namali ka ng form, hindi kayong mapuwersa, and then ma-throttle mo pa lalo. And so yun lang with regards to elevating or transitioning to race bike. You have to have a commitment to train, to practice, and to work out. So this is Coach Sam Tamayo. God be the glory.